Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you today that's setting up my day-to-day planner using this Hobo kit. So this is one of my new releases from last week. It's called Bibbidy Bobbidy Boo and it's based on Cinderella. It's one of my princess kits. So here's the first sheet and the second and the third sheet. So I'll show you last week's spread. This was my Sabrina kit from last week. It's Sunday evening, so I'm going to fill up my memory and then that will be all completed. And this is this week's page, so I'll go super speed now and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so there we go. There's my final spread all set up. We've got a couple of things going on this week. My eldest is poorly. She currently got the chicken pox, so I'm going to have to look after her on Monday and Wednesday. We're hoping kind of she'll be back to school come Thursday. Meals to do's, my habits. This is where I like to write down memories or like a gratitude type thing for the week. And then these are to do's that I'll drop down for the shop. So there we go. This is what I have left. So I've got some more deco, sticky note, these half boxes and some checklists, some more half boxes, lots of icons, a couple of flags, some more deco, a couple of icons, and these check boxes, and another half box there that I was going to use and then didn't, so I popped it on there for a moment. So that's what I've got left. New releases for Saturday. I got all a bit muddled this week, and I was meant to release this kit last week and then Bob's birthday kit on Saturday. Got more muddled up, so I released both kits Saturday and then decided that I'd release these this Saturday. So these will be out in the shop this Saturday. We have the bath time stickers, initially drawn for kind of a baby or a child's bath time, but actually they're quite cute and could work for anyone's bath time. Currently in the pastel colourway, but again I will be making them in different colours as well. And then I have Bob's gaming stickers, and we have the colourful and the pastel, and I've been using them for when I play Xbox with my husband, but again you can use them for any type of gaming. There you go. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!